Morning students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today our topic is parts of body. Parts of body. Our first part is eye. E-Y-E. Eye. E right should be capital. Y and E are small letters. E-Y-E-I. Our next part is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N should be capital. O-S-E. Should be writing with two lines. Next is lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. L should be capital. I-P-S should be small letter. Next is ear. E-A-R. Ear. E should be capital and A-R should be small letters. Next is R. A-R-M. R. A should be capital. R and M is small letters. Eye, nose, lips, ear, R. These work should be done on your notebooks and done.